Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2008 Yamaha XT250, and today I'll show you how to install the KEMIMOTO Enduro rack. This lightweight rack will fit the rear of all XT250s made from 2008 through at least 2023 and is very easy to install. It seems to be one of the most versatile racks out there, with plenty of mounting points and cutouts for attaching just about anything you'd want. KEMIMOTO also offers attachments for this rack to suit anyone's needs. It comes with 2 bags of hardware that provide everything required for installation, so let's get to it. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Impact driver, 10mm socket, 6mm hex, 5mm hex, Phillips number 3, 13mm wrench, 12mm ratcheting wrench, and a magnetic bowl. You could also use a socket wrench, Allen wrenches, and a regular Phillips number 3 screwdriver if you don't have an impact driver. For this job I also needed gloves and a rag. There are links in the description for everything I used. We'll start by removing the 2 10mm bolts securing the rear edge of the seat. Each side panel is held in place with 1 screw and a couple grommet mounts. Remove the screw and pull the panel straight out. This heat shield is secured with 4 Phillips number 3 screws. The rack will replace these grab handles, so we'll remove them with a 12mm wrench. If you need more room, you can move the rear fender out of the way by removing the 2 remaining 10mm bolts under the fender, but I was able to get by without doing that by using a ratcheting wrench. Make sure the mounting surface is clean before installing the mounting plates using the hardware that came packaged with them. The mounting plates are different for the right and left sides, so make sure to install them as shown using the correct holes. There should be 2 spacers between each mounting plate and the bike, each secured with a screw and a washer. Now we can loosely attach the rack to the mounting plates using the remaining hardware. The long bolts go up front with a washer and are secured with a nut. The rear mounts require a spacer to fit between the rack and the mounting plates. Once the rack is loosely attached at all 4 points, we can fully tighten the bolts. Reattach the heat shield with its 4 screws. Each side panel fits into 2 rubber grommets, clips into the rear fender, and is secured with a screw. The seat hooks under the fuel tank here. Then you can secure the rear with its 2 bolts. Considering the build quality, ease of installation, and sheer practicality of this rack, I have to rate it a 5 out of 5. This is a really great addition to the bike, especially considering the attachments from KEMIMOTO that I'll be demonstrating in upcoming videos. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.